What's good, YouTube, MySpace? This your boy Santan. I'm back again, cause motherfuckers sent me all off. I went to the voting joint, then it was like, you in the wrong district, or some shit like that. So, you know what I'm saying, I gotta go to this other place that I just got to, and I mean, that's why I don't understand why we can't just vote, motherfuckers. I mean, shit. That's why, like, if I was just like some impatient ass nigga, like, and I didn't think that my vote mattered, you know what I'm saying, I'd be like, man, I can't vote right here, fuck it, and just dip, you know what I'm saying, and there ain't nobody get my vote at all, you know what I'm saying. I bet there's some people out there like that did that shit, you know what I'm saying. You gotta vote in your district, what does it matter, you know what I'm saying. I gotta travel farther than, you know what I'm saying, the little voting joint that was right by my house, you know what I'm saying, to vote. I could just went to the joint right by my house, voted, and it'd have been a wrap. But you gotta go to your district and all this other extra stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's always a scam, you know what I'm saying? I heard people was talking about they was getting told, you know what I'm saying, white people vote on Tuesday, black people vote on Wednesday. Like, niggas think we really that dumb? You know what? I ain't even gonna answer that, cause there's probably somebody out there that believe that shit too. But yeah, let me go in here. Oh, before I forget, man, I was in the other joint, the other voting joint. It was no line. I just walked up in there. It was nothing. So, you know what I'm saying, that kind of scared me, because either I hope they voted early, or, you know what I'm saying, people ain't out there voting. So, I don't know what's going on, but, you know, I'm about to go in this other joint, see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's a line, you know what I'm saying. I was expecting, you know what I'm saying, waiting in a long-ass line, and I was about to be out there all day. It's raining outside, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to be outside waiting all day, but, you know, you kind of expect that, you know, on November 4th. But it was no line. I walked up in there, and they didn't have my information. They was like, we don't have your little ticket or whatever, even though I had my registration card and shit. But that's because I was in the wrong district. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get back at y'all. I'm about to go in here. You know what it is.